Hello everyone. Now in continuation of vehicles, let's create a vehicle of private jet type. Okay, for that we have to go to vehicle sources. I have to create a new vehicle. I don't have any parent vehicle emission source, so I will leave it empty. And this is also assumed like our owned vehicle for our organization. And so I will select scope 1. My vehicle type is of private jet, and my mobile fuel conversion factor, take this for now. This is our company owned asset. Account we can take, or we can leave for now, or we can put estimate or account. This is suppose this is our a child company, or this is if we are a consultant, then suppose this is our client. So this can identify every emissions for every particular entity. Vehicle ID, if we have, we can put it here. In some cases, like jets are on lease also. Some private companies is also provide their services. And so let's put the address. City, we'll put same Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Business region, Epic. A postal code we can leave empty, or we can put anything. City, Mumbai. Click on save. Now let's create an energy use record on it. Okay, for energy use, '24. Okay, this is footprint Q1 2024. Start date. Again, we are taking Jan or Fab. We can take 6th Fab to 10th Fab. Reported in Fab only. Mobile fuel conversion factors for this. Select this. Fuel type is jet fuel. Obviously, it could be jet fuel only, but rest of the fuels will not work with this. Even if I try to save with some diesel. Okay, let's take fuel efficiency. And this much of detail we don't want in case of fuel. Aircraft type, we can fill some Boeing aircraft fuel economy liters per hour. Assume liters per hour, 100. Flight date, the Fab 6. Flight duration, it could be 100 hours. Okay, I selected diesel as fuel. It must not work because fuel type should be of jet fuel in case of private jet. Okay, jet fuel. Okay, let's click on save. Okay, so this is our emissions for our jet. Scope 1. These emissions are in scope 1. Why? Because we have selected scope 1 in our scope allocations. If we if this is a leased one, this is not an owned, so we can select scope 2. Let's click on save, go to the energy use record, and just add it, and just click on save, so that the backend data got refreshed. Clicked on save, and you can see all our data got moved to scope 2. Why? Because our emissions we have selected here are in scope 2 now in our source. You can see it here. Okay, so till now we have created our emissions. If we go to our footprint, okay, so where's the carbon footprint? That must be emission source. Okay, footprint are available on the energy use, not on the source. Okay, if we go to our footprint, if we ask to recalculate everything so that all our fuels and all will get calculated here, so let's click on recalculate. Okay, so we have total of 2 inventory records, one for the jet, one for the other type of vehicles. This is our total scope 1 emission. This is scope 3 emission, which we have put in the supplement one. This one, our private jet emission, which is in the scope 2. So all our emissions got pulled on uh, the footprints. So that's it for the footprints also. Thank you.